Yo, what is going on YouTube? Today's tutorial is going to be showing you how to get Taz Face in 2K26. This is a brand new after patch working method to get the Taz Face glitch in NBA 2K26. This actually uses a locker code, guys, that is going to unlock the glitched Taz Face, and it takes just a few minutes to do this. Before I show you how to go ahead and do this method, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always searching for brand new 2K26 tutorials and methods of getting free stuff. So let's not waste any more time. Let's show you guys how to get Taz Face in NBA 2K26. So as I mentioned, you're gonna get a locker code, guys, that you can redeem in game. So use your mobile phone to obtain this locker code, and then you can go ahead and enter it in whatever platform you play on. So open up your internet browser on your mobile and head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So spell it exactly like this, guys, and if you type it correctly, it's going to bring you to this game code website. Now, they have lots of pages, so I do recommend just using the search bar at the top of the screen, where you're going to want to type in NBA 2K26 and find this locker codes page. Now, as you can see, these codes are really popular, guys, and if you scroll down, there is actually a code to get the Taz Face. So NBA 2K26 Taz Face unlock, and this is a glitch, but it is a locker code, guys. So this is a simple code that you can redeem in your 2K26 game, and it is going to basically just give you the Taz Face. So it's like a glitched all black face. So you need to unlock your locker code. And this is basically to stop people taking more than one of these codes. So you can only do this once, but once you have the Taz Face, it will be permanent to your account. So click on Get Full Code, and you just need to follow the instructions on this page here to unlock your 2K26 locker code. I did this earlier, it took me about 5 minutes, but basically you need to complete 2 of the free tasks on this page. And these are basically installing and playing mobile games, opening up mobile applications, so from the App Store, or just answering survey questions. So they're all pretty easy, guys. As an example, this one is an easy one. Download and install this app and play one game for 5 minutes. So if you choose that one, you basically click on it, it'll take you to the App Store. If you're on Apple, if you're on Android, it'll be the Google Play Store. But yeah, basically that one will be complete once you play a game. So just complete 2 tasks on this page, and if you do that, it will send you back to this page, and your 2K26 locker code will be unlocked and fully revealed here. And then you go ahead, redeem it in-game in the locker codes page, and that is going to get you the Taz Face. So that is how to get Taz Face in 2K26. This is the fastest and easiest method, guys, because it is just a locker code, so there's no like glitch method or anything like that. So go to Cold Coupons. Any questions, do just let me know, guys, but it's super easy. If you follow all of the instructions, it'll take you about 5 minutes. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.